In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an existing invoice to a project in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that all the data you will see is for testing and demo purposes only, okay? Now, the first thing you have to do if you want to add an existing invoice to a project is you want to hover over all apps over here on the left, and you want to go to projects and then click on the projects. Now, here you'll see all your projects. As you can see, I've created a tutorial project over here. So if I now click on it right now, there we go. I can go to transactions over here and notice there's currently no transactions. So let's change this. Let's now add an existing invoice to this specific project. So the first thing you have to do is find the invoice you want to add. You have a bunch of different ways you could do this. So for example, you could just go up top over here and find the invoice by typing in the invoice name. For example, as you can see here, like there's a bunch of different invoices showing up. So I could just click on any of these, or what you can also do if you go to all apps over here, you have over here you had sales and get paid, and in here you have invoices. Okay, so whichever way you want to use, just find the invoice you want to work with. So I'm just going to use this first one, the most basic one, and I'm going to click on the invoice itself, and it's going to pop it right here on the right. Now you want to click on the edit invoice button in the bottom right, and that's going to allow you to edit that specific invoice. Now this over here is of course the invoice editor, and I can now go and click on over here. So this is the most important part. Click on here where you can see kind of your customer, and in here you want to search for your project. Okay, you can either search for it by scrolling, as you can see here, it's over here for me, or I could just type it in, for example, tutorial, and it's going to find it as a tutorial project. So you want to click on it, and the moment you do that, it's going to kind of change things over here. Of course, you can populate these fields and change them however you want. You can adapt them, change them, whatever. It's completely up to you. And whenever you're ready, click on the save button here at the bottom. So whenever you hit the save button, the invoice is going to get saved. And if I now actually exit this, I can go back to my project. So all apps, and then projects again. And you'll see if I enter this tutorial project over here, you already were able to see, there we go, the open invoices are showing a number, which means if I go under transactions, I now have one invoice over here, which is exactly the one we have linked, okay? So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.